Hey there, Bonita National fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Bonita National. This is Veranda Unit 1516. It's the Arabella floor plan and part of the golf included line of condos that you're going to find here at Bonita National. The Arabella is a 2+ den unit, just under 1,600 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. As we come into the Arabella, directly on our left side here is the entry to your kitchen. Nice big kitchen space here. You've got your pantry, the bay windows overlooking your front lanai, nice eating kitchen area as well. And you get a full set of stainless appliances here. And this kitchen overlooks your dining space, your great room area as well. So everything's nice and open to your kitchen. Right off of the kitchen here, we're going to take a look at the guest bedroom, guest bath, and laundry space. So right back here is your guest bedroom. And you have the walk-in style closet there. And just off of that, you've got your laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer and some additional cabinetry right above there for extra storage. And then we have our guest bath here where these owners have added the glass door above the tub there, which is a really nice addition. Otherwise, you have the commode and the singular sink here. Now, right off of here, you have an entry into your den, but we're going to look at that from the front here. So as we come across, you'll notice the dual door entry to your den here, or you can make that into some type of flex space, third bedroom, whatever works best for your needs. Directly across from the den, we've got the dining space here, and notice there's plenty of room to add bar stools right at the countertop overlooking the kitchen. And then that brings us into the great room area here. You do have a nice dry bar space and nice open great room here. And you can see how nice and open the Arabella sits as well. Last but not least, on the inside, you've got the master bedroom here. Really nice size master. That is a king size bed there for perspective. So plenty of space here. You've got your his and hers closets. And then we've got the master bath here where you're going to have the standalone shower. You're going to have the soaking tub, dual sinks, and then your enclosed water closet, as well as a linen closet here in the master. Now, last but not least, we have the views here from Unit 1516. So as we come outside here, something to take notice of, you're going to get a triple view out here. So you've got the lake, you've got golf course, and you've got preserved view all in one. Also notice that the cart path is clear across the lake, so no carts coming right by the backside of your lanai. Nice and peaceful view on this unit here. So if you are interested in this home, folks, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.